Good evening friends, time for a technical update on the markets. The markets opened with a gap down today and the selling pressure continued throughout the day, and the Nifty ended the day with a 70-point cut. There was weakness coming from the auto sector with Tata Motors losing close to 5% and from the two-wheeler space we had Bajaj Auto losing to close to 2%. The market breadth was negative today with 431 advances to 733 declines. Now let us have a look at the daily chart. On the daily chart we can observe that after touching an all-time high of 6415, the market has been closing negative, and today is the third consecutive day and the market has closed negative. However, it is trading above the crucial supports placed at the 20 and 40 daily moving averages, and the momentum indicator has also not given a sell signal. So our advice to traders would be to be cautious at current levels and wait for the market to show some strength before they can buy some stocks in the Nifty. On the hourly charts, we can observe that this upward sloping support trend line has been breached on the downside, and the momentum indicator has also a negative crossover. However, as per our Fibonacci ratio, we expect the markets to take support around the 6200 area, which is the 50% retracement of this entire rise which we have seen from the lows. Overall, our view on the Nifty still remains positive, and we are waiting for further confirmation to change our trend on to the short side. Until then, we expect the markets will move in the positive direction, say from tomorrow onwards. Now moving on to the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty again has started forming lower tops and lower bottoms on the daily charts, which indicates that the trend has turned down. However, it is trading above its crucial supports, and the momentum indicator also has a positive crossover. So until we get further confirmations, we expect the Bank Nifty to correct a little, but not a major sell-off from this onwards until we get further confirmations. Crucial supports are placed at 11,475 and 11,300. Now moving on to the stock specific ideas which traders can go long on for tomorrow. The first one which we have is United Spirits. Traders can go long on United Spirits for a target of 2600 and 2650 with a stop loss of 2514. We can observe that it has formed a bullish flag pattern and we expect it to break on the upside. So traders can go long on United Spirits. And the second one which we have is from the pharma space, Lupin. Lupin has is trading above the 20 and 40 daily moving averages, and similarly it has broken out of a bullish flag pattern or a downward sloping channel on the upside. So we expect Lupin to trade with a positive bias going ahead for targets of 902 and 920, and a stop loss should be placed at 866. That's all for the day. Thank you.